Hello guys, hey, grab yourself a coffee and 10 minutes and let's watch me build something. You know, you got baling wire, duct tape, and a Leatherman. What more do you need to build anything with? Well, maybe I'll use some of these other tools hanging around here. I guess you're just going to have to watch this next video and see what we're up to today. Hey guys, good morning. It's about noon. It's cold. But you know, you seen me unboxing this thing. I wanted to show you something. I had to get an adapter. And they make an adapter if you have an RV plug on the outside of your house, which I do, naturally. They make an adapter that this will plug right into the... This is 50 amp. I said 30 last time. This is... You can use a 30 amp 110, but... It's 50 amp that runs this without using the inverter, I guess. Anyway, we got it plugged into 50 amp. And now, like I said, I've never used a wire feed. Never even struck one up. But we got her, if I can get it open. We got her all put in, pretty simple. Run that through there, you lift that up and it gives you dies. I got the dies. I'm running that wire right there because it said it's a good one to start with. You can go up or down. It's non-gas, it's a flux wire. You tighten this down a little bit, then that spins it and pushes it through there, down to there, and up to here. But what I want to show you, like I said, let me get a glove on because this some bit could be warm. Okay, glove on. My very first weld, right here. Never struck one up before. I had this laying flat like that, laying right here, and it even burned up a little hole there. You got to go fast with it. Now, it ain't like the arc welder. I just zapped that across. That's my very first weld with a wire feed. Not ever. No teaching it. I read the book. Well, I didn't read the book. I thumbed through the book and set it the way it's set because they said this will automatic. You get it ready and it'll do it. But I set it manually anyway because I wanted to learn. So that's my very first weld. There you go. It got penetration. Now let me show you my second weld. Very second weld on a wire feed welder. It's kind of cobbledy. I went too fast because the wire seems to come out real fast, and you know, I'm used to the old arc welder. Okay, that's my second weld. Now I want to show you my third weld. I don't think that's bad at all. That's the third wire. Third strike of that thing, right there. I think that came out okay. I can't find my brush to brush it off there, but I don't even think there's any slag on it. No, very little splatter. Okay, so that I'm liking this so far. Now I'm going to finish my project over there, and because I feel like I'm an expert now, I'm going to fire this on to you guys. If you're buying one of these, I can stick weld. Kinda. If you ask Charlie Blood, I can't. But I do make things stick together with stick weld. So I have a little bit of knowledge on that. But this is a fine machine for beginners, for around your house. Now if you're not going to wear 3/16 as thick as you can go, this is about 1/8. And it tells you right on this lid here how to set everything up. 1/8 of is about 3 point, I wrote it down, 3.15 millimeters. You go over here, that would be about there. Let's see, 3 would be here. So this is the way I set it up. Now I'm running no gas, and I can run 3 different types of wire. 04, let's see, .040, .035 and .030. I'm running the middle one. It tells you how to do that. Everything is in the lid here. So, but 3/16, about as far as you can go, because that's almost 5 millimeter gauge, 6 gauge. So, and that's it. Well, that's fine. Most of us aren't. Well, that's with the wire fed. You got aluminum, you got stainless, you can weld, and you got arc. Now I think arc, I don't think there's any settings in here for arc. I haven't got that far. I have an arc welder, a good Miller one that I would never get rid of, and I can weld heavy duty stuff with it if I need to. Anyway, I'm gonna throw this one on here to you guys. I didn't think it was gonna be 5 minutes long, but it sure has turned out to be. So we'll fire this one on right after you see me unboxing it. Of course, you've already seen that, now haven't you? Follow this guy's instructions. Hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Hey, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification on all these videos coming up, and there's a lot of them. Hey, also, if you want to help out this channel a little bit, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You get all the videos way earlier, plus there's a lot of bonus videos on there from all years back. Thanks for watching.